Maniniwala ba yung mga iPhone fans naman na kuha ito ng isang iPhone? Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappeared, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
Para sa tinapos yung video, huwag kayong maniwala. Ito po yung ginamit ko talaga, Sony Cinematic na camera.